ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಅಡಿಯರ್, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಯೇಟ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಮ್. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. Session 5, Marketing Mix. In this session, I'm going to cover a recap of the previous session, learning objectives of in this session, learning outcomes, introduction, meaning and definition, 4 P's of marketing and marketing mix, summary or conclusion, MCQs and references. Recap. We have discussed in the previous session about concept of marketing. Learning objectives of in this session to know the elements of marketing mix. Session outcomes. At the end, we'll get learners are to know the elements of marketing mix. Introduction. Marketing mix strategy adopted by manufacturers to ensure success in the field of marketing. The modern marketing concept emphasizes the importance of consumer satisfaction. It respect to taste for preferences and choice of customer. Modern manufacturers adopts various strategies to win the confidence of consumer to their goods. Marketing mix is one of among such strategies. Marketing mix is a business tool used in the marketing and by marketing professionals. It is a set of actions, tactics that a company uses to promote its brand and product in the market. The term marketing mix was developed by Neil Borden, who first started using the phrase in 1949. An executive is a mixture of ingredients who sometimes follows a recipe as he goes along, sometimes adopts a recipe to the ingredients immediately available, and sometimes experiments with or invents ingredients no one else has tried. Definition of marketing mix. Marketing mix is a business strategy that involves the combination of product price, structure, distribution system, and promotional activities designed to satisfy the needs of target market and marketing objectives of enterprises. According to Philip Kotler, a marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the short level of sales in the target market. According to Neil Borden, the marketing mix is the set of marketing tools that the firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. 7 steps involved in marketing mix. Here, there are 7 steps involved in marketing steps. There are: number 1, identifying customers; number 2, analyzing the needs of customers; number 3, designing the product mix; number 4, test marketing; number 5, adopting marketing mix. Elements of marketing mix. It was Joe McCarthy, the well-known American professor of marketing, who first described the marketing mix in terms of 4 P's. He classified the marketing mix variables under 4 heads, each beginning with the alphabet P. Thus, the marketing mix denotes the combination of 4 major elements. There are product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotional mix. First one, product mix. The first element of marketing mix is product. A product is anything that can be offered a market for attention, acquisition, or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. It has both tangible or intangible components. Customer view product as bundle of satisfaction rather than just physical thing. The product mix is used to explain varied collection of different product types that a manufacturer produces and markets. A manufacturer may have different line of products. For example, Bajaj Auto Limited as its major product line, such as scooters, motorcycle, mopeds, three-wheelers. Each line contains varied product line. Product mix involved so many aspects: quality, future, design, style, brand, packaging, label, services, and warranties. Product mix involved includes physical product, product services, brand, package, ideas are mixes of these. These elements involves decision regarding product line, quality, design, brand name, label, after sales, warranties, product range, etc. An appropriate combination of features and benefits by a manufacturer will offer the product with unique selling identity. Number two, price mix. The second element in the market mix is the price. Price is the amount of money that customers have to pay for the product. It is also defined as the value of product attributes expressed in monetary terms which consumers pay in exchange. Price mix include deciding on wholesale or retail prices, pricing policies, pricing strategies, discounts, allowances, credit terms, level of margins, terms of delivery, payments, etc. Pricing decision directly influences the sales of volume and profits of the businesses enterprises. On account of these factors, pricing research is conducted while determining the right prices. Number three, place mix. This is another important marketing mix element that ensures the availability of product at the right place. It includes all those activities that the company undertake to make the product easily available and accessible to target customer. Place mix is the physical distribution of product at the right time and at the right place. It includes decision relating to the selection of marketing channels, storage facility, inventory control, location, transportation, warehousing, etc. to offer efficient physical distribution service. The marketer has to recruit and link various middlemen and marketing facilitators to that products can be efficiently supplied to the target market. Last one, number four, promotion mix. Promotion is the fourth and important marketing mix tool. The term promotion refers to the various activities undertaken by a company to communicate the features of its products to the target market by them. The target market may include current and prospective buyers, including general public. Sometimes the target customers may not be aware of the new products or the new utilities of existing products. This information is made known as to them through promotion activities. The different methods of promotion includes advertising, publicity, personal selling, sales promotion, and public relations. The company hires, trains, and motivates the sales force for depends upon the following elements: the nature of communication, the target audience, the medium used to transport message, the receiver's perceptions of sources. Summary or conclusion. All the elements of marketing mix influences each other. The, they make up the business plan for a company and handled right can give it target great success. The marketing mix needs a lot of understanding, market research, and consultation with several people, from users to trade to manufacturing and several others. Multiple choice questions. Question number one: who suggest product pricing, place, promotion, all these in a company represent marketing mix? Answers are: number one, A. Neil Borden, Nelson, Philip Kotler, Stephen Morse. Answer A. Neil Borden. Question number two: marketing of product and service in which of the offer itself is not intended to make any monetary profit is called? Answers are: A. Profit marketing, B. Virtual marketing, C. Digital marketing, D. Non-profit marketing. Answer is D. Non-profit marketing. Question number three: USP is defined as. Answers are: A. Unique selling price, unique sales proposition, C. Unique selling proposition, D. Unique strategy promotion. Answer is C. Unique selling proposition. Question number four: the process of setting a low initial price for attracting a large number of buyers quickly to cover a large market shares is known as. Answers are: A. Going rate pricing, B. Market penetration pricing, C value based pricing, D skimming pricing. Answer is B market penetration pricing. Question number 5. A reduction in price on purchase during a stated period of time is known as. Answers are A sale, B discount, C allowance, D none of these. Answer is B discount. Question number 6. Which among these is not the nature and characteristics of a service? Answers are A intangibility, B durability, C variability, D perishability. There is B durability. Question number 7. Which among these is concerned with pricing policies for a late entrance to a market? Answers are A marketing penetration, B marketing research, C market skimming, D marketing skills. Answer is A market penetration. References. These are all the mentioned subject I referred for preparation of PPT. Thank you one and all.